Good morning, guys, and welcome to our channel. And today is 2nd January 2021, Saturday. We will continue our journey with the GK session first. So let's see today's slides about the GK. The first slide is about Suneet Sharma appointed the new railway board chairman. Okay, what's his name? Suneet Sharma. Okay, new railway board chairman and CEO. He succeeds. Okay, when you succeed somebody, it's a transitive verb actually. Okay, so when you succeed somebody or something, it means to make a next after something. Okay, means to come next after somebody or something and to take their place or position. Okay, so this guy Sunit Sharma succeeds whom? He succeeds VK Yadav. Okay, instead of VK Yadav, now he's replacing him, who was the first CEO of the railway board. Okay, and he was who? He was the first CEO of railway board. Okay, now Sunit Sharma, a former Eastern Railway General Manager, and what was the position of Sunit Sharma? He was the former Eastern Railway General Manager in a special class railway apprentice officer of 1978 batch. Sharma is known for introducing the various administrative reforms. Okay, and who is the Indian Railway Minister? That is Piyush Goyal. Okay, guys, that you should know. Piyush Goyal is your Indian Railway Minister. Okay, next is about our MEA. Okay, now what is this MEA? MEA stands for Ministry of External Affairs. Okay, so what Ministry of External Affairs has done? They have launched a global Parvashi Rishta portal. Okay, an app to connect the 3.1 crore strong dias, dias, diaspora. Okay, now what is this diaspora actually? Here? I show you this word diaspora. Okay. Diaspora is means the people, those who are living away from their own country, okay, especially abroad. Okay, so like NRIs comes into this category, especially. Okay. So now, what Ministry of External Affairs is doing here, they aims to create the three-way communications between the ministry, okay, Indian missions and diaspora. The portal is created to enable the registration of Indian diasporas, and what it includes your NRIs, okay, PIOs and OCIs, okay, and connect them with the various government schemes, okay, and they will get government schemes benefits. Okay, there are nearly 3.12 crore overseas Indians. Okay, there are almost 3.12 crore Indians, those who are settled abroad. Okay, now Ministry of External Affairs Union Minister is S Jaishankar, and MOS is V Muralidharan. Okay, next is about the cabinet approval. Okay, the memorandum of understanding between India and Bhutan, that you need to remember, on cooperation in the peaceful uses of outer space. Okay, imputes to explore the cooperation and possibilities in the field of remote sensing of the Earth satellite, communication satellite, navigation space, science, and exploration of outer space by setting up a joint working group. Okay, and Bhutan currency is Nugultrum, and the capital is Thimphu. Okay, next is about the senior IAS Umesh Sinha, named Deputy Election Commissioner after Cabinet extends his tenure. Okay, the appointment committee cleared extension in the terms of re-employment of Sinha as Deputy Election Commissioner on contract basis for period of 6 months. He is a Secretary General in the Commission currently. Sunil Arora, okay, is a current and 23rd Chief Election Commissioner. Okay, so if they ask in any of the GK exam, you can tell this. Okay, guys. Okay, the next news is from the Naval Science and Technology. Okay, Naval Science and Technology Laboratory NSIL. Okay, conducted a flight trial of Sahayak NG. Okay, air droppable container with parachute. Okay, Sahayak NG has a satellite-based reporting terminal which provide precise GPS locations that enable carrying the crucial stores, okay, for ships in distress at sea. This is the first of its kind trial involving the mission critical system. Okay, NSTL located in Vishakhapatnam. Okay, next is from our defense ministry has signed rupees 1,355 crore contract with BEL, that is Bharat Electronics. Okay, uh, for procurement. Okay, and what is procurement? Procurement is the process of obtaining supplies of something, especially from for government organization. Okay, so that is called procurement. So procurement of the 10 Lionx UT gun fire control system for Indian Navy. Okay, now Lionx UT GFCS is the design to acquire the track and engage targets amidst the sea clutter. It will be installed on NOPV Talwar and Tech class of the ships. The fourth generation system has been completely designed and developed by BEL, that is Bharat Electronics, and Ministry of Defense is our Rajnath Singh. Next is about the fourth meeting of India and Sri Lanka Joint Working Group on Fisheries. Okay, meeting covered issues related to fishermen status. Okay, fishermen status and cooperation between the Navy and Coast Guard of both countries. Okay, initiative taken to diversity and reduce the fishing pressure in the Park Bay, etc. Ministry of Fishery is Giriraj Singh. Okay, the next news is from CSIR. Okay, National Institute of Interdisciplinary Science and Technology (NIST) develops alternative to single-use plastic. Okay, biodegradable tableware from uh, agriculture resides and bioproduct were developed. Okay, products developed have a shelf life of up to 6 months and heat resistance up to 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, CSIR NIST location is Trivandrum, established in 1975. Okay, the next news is from the northeast. First ever specialized ginger processing plant in Meghalaya to be revived. Okay, the plant located at the export promotion. Okay, industrial park, Ribuhai. Okay, that you need to remember. Okay, district in is being revived through triple P mode and is likely to become the functional in the beginning of 2021, and it was established in around 2044, but till that it was not functioning. Now they have planned to restart it. The Ministry of Development of the Northeastern region is Jitendra Singh. Okay, the next report is from the 34th Pragati interaction chaired by Prime Minister Modi. Okay, now what is this Pragati? Pragati is your proactive governance and timely implementation. Okay, this is what the Pragati means. All right. So PM reviews the project worth over rupees 1 lakh crore in 34th Pragati meeting. Programs and grievances pertaining to UP, MP, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir, West Bengal, Maharashtra, Delhi, Haryana, Gujarat, and Dadar and Nagar Haveli, and the two counterpieces government programs. Okay, Ayushman Bharat and Jal Jeevan Mission were reviewed. Pragati means proactive governance and timely implementation, as I told you. Okay, the next news is coming from our Adani Green Energy Limited AEGL commissions 100 megawatt solar power project at Khirshara, Gujarat. Okay, the commissioning was as per its 25 years power purchase agreement PPA. Okay, PPA stand for power purchase agreement at rupees 2.44 per kilowatt hour with the Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam India. Okay, this is what the full form of it. Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam Limited. Okay, AGELS. Okay, Adani Green Energy Limited. This means okay. Total operational renewable power capacity is now 2,950 megawatt. Okay, AGEL has a total renewable capacity of 14 gigawatts. Okay, guys. So this is all about today's GK. Good luck ahead for your exams. Bye bye.